In 2024, I don't think it's necessary to edit on a laptop anymore. But let me show you what I mean. Now, I'm not saying laptops are bad, I'm just saying that editing softwares on phones have gotten so incredibly good that if you're editing basic videos, you don't even need a laptop. And well, that's exactly what I'm here to talk about today. Let's get right into it. So I'm saying all this because Filmora has released a new update to their Filmora Mobile app. And trust me when I say this changes everything. So the new feature they added is called AI AutoCut, which basically means that AI can take different types of videos you give it and automatically cut it into pieces, so it makes your life as the editor easier. But enough talking, let me show you how this works, because this is pretty cool. Okay, so here's what you want to do. You want to go to the Filmora app on your phone, and then once you're here, you'll see this big blue bubble that says new project. You want to go right below it is AI AutoCut. So then you want to press on there. Okay, now once you're here, you can select the videos that you want automatically cut. So let's just go with this one and this one and say import. Okay, cool. So now this might take a while to import, but while you wait, you can, here at the bottom, you'll see there is a bunch of different things that you can choose from, whether that be the video theme or the mood or the sound. So let's go video theme. I'm gonna go cinematic, and then scroll down, and then mood, I'm just gonna go peaceful, and then scroll a bit more, and then the sound, just gonna keep it original. Oh wait, let's go, I have no idea what that means, but okay. And then the aspect ratio, you can even change the aspect ratio if you want to, but I'm gonna go 16:9. Oh no, I'm gonna go 9:16. Okay, and then here is the music style, so let's go lo-fi. And then the instrument, you can just keep it on auto, so it's gonna select which instrument you want to use. So then you simply wait for it to import. It's gonna take a bit of a while, but you'll get there. Okay, so once it has uploaded to 100%, which does take a while, this little button that says generate here at the bottom would turn green. So then you simply press there, and now it will load some more, but you just have to give it some time and it will completely generate your video. So let's just wait a bit more. Okay, and after it is done, you will see that it has automatically cut your video for you. I don't know if you guys can hear the music, but it has added some music. But if you can select here, then you can choose between different songs, which is pretty cool. So then you can just simply select your song. You can even edit project, then it will take you to this where it has automatically cut. So yeah, there you have it. That is as simple as that. It has automatically put music with and cut your video up for you. Okay, so there you have it. Now you also know how to use that AutoCut feature in Filmora. And I think it's pretty cool. You know, you don't have to drag in all your files and then cut each one separately. The AI does it for you. Now, I must say that it is not 100% accurate when it comes to cutting up the clips, but for a start, I think this is pretty cool. So yeah, go down to the link in the description and download Filmora right now, completely free. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.